It's been really great. I've met a lot of really interesting people that I've gotten to connect with. A lot of my professors are just like experts in their fields, and it's been really cool to learn from them. I had to take a writing class that all incoming freshmen have to take at Harvard. I was super prepared for the class. Like, I didn't really have any trouble making good marks in the class. I was given the skills to write academic essays and then to read literature and articles in a way that was really beneficial to me. A lot of people in college, they're in like government and other social studies classes. It was their first time actually reading academic articles and studies, and they really struggled with that. I had a lot of experience reading academic articles in Ms. Lawson's class, so I definitely did not struggle in my social studies classes because of that. When I got to school, I didn't really have any worries about academic integrity. I felt really confident that I wasn't going to break any rules. Here we have a really unique honor code where that's very much established, and I realized how unique that was when I went to college. And I realized, wow, Randolph really prepared me.